Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. After many weeks of checking, I finally found them at the Dollar Tree. Yes, they are in. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. I am so glad that you are choosing to spend today with me. Thank you guys so much for the awesome way in which you support me and my channel. Today is going to be a very quick one, but I am so excited because I've been checking to see when these were going to come into stock. And finally, they are in stock at Dollar Tree. We can now start getting ready for 2023. I was able to find 4 handheld planners and then some wall calendars, and I'll share those with you in just a minute. But I have been looking, and finally I found them. So let's switch to the overhead view and I'll give you a closer look. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at everything I was able to find. I'm going to put it all out together and then I'll show you individually what I have. So I found 2 wall calendars that have beautiful pages in them, and I'll show you those pages in just a minute. And then I found these 4 portables. So let's start with the portables. So this is a nice little hardbound 2023 notebook. It's cute, but we can do a little bit more with this, and we're going to. But this one looks like it's probably about 4 by 5. I'm not really sure. Doesn't say, but it looks like it's about 4 by 5. So like I said, it's cute, but we can make it better. Then they have the 2023 notepad with little calendar attached. This is great for putting on the fridge or mounting to a desk if you want to make some quick notes or you need to see what the date is and what you have coming up. Again, cute just as it is, but y'all know us. We go for stinking cute, and that's what we're going to do. And then I really like the cover of this one. It reminds me of a little checkbook cover. But y'all know I'm going to change this, and we are going to dress this up and turn it into something fabulous. This is a 2023 and 2024, so it is a 2-year planner. I found all of these at the front of the store where the school supplies are. Then we have the 2023 large planner. This is the one that I really have been waiting on because I had some ideas for this one, and I have already made a project with this. I've already made the video, and I'll be sharing that video with you really soon. I think when you see what I have done with this, guys, it is going to knock your socks off because it is fabulous with a capital fab. So here are the 4 that I was able to find. Now, they did have some student planners and student agendas. I didn't pick up any of those, but there might even be some more that I have missed. But we are going to do crafts with all of these. And if you're doing a craft fair, now is the time to grab some of those 2023 planners and calendars so that you can incorporate some of those onto your table. And so here are the 2 12 by 12 calendars that I was able to find. This one says today is a good day. They both have these little inserts in them, and it's cardboard, but you can use this in your paper crafting, so make sure that you save it. And what I like about these calendars is I love these pages. Not necessarily crazy about all of this, but I like it for the graphics. So this says be fearless, do small things with great love. You are amazing. Look at the colors in that. Today is a good day for a good day, and I think that is so true. Be fearless. Here comes the sun. Every moment matters. Dream a little dream. Today is a good day. Have courage and be kind. Bloom where you are planted. Believe in yourself. And then on the back you have the little thumbnail showing you exactly what's in here. We can actually cut these out and use them in our crafts as well. I love these calendars. Then I found one that was the farmer's market. 2023, 12 months. And we'll flip through it really quickly. It says Our Happy Place, Honey for Sale, Garden, Fresh Lemons, how cute is that? Locally Grown You Pick Berry Patch, open daily. Land of the Free, Sweet as a Peach, Our Happy Place, Happy Harvest, Season's Greetings. And again, on the back, we have the little thumbnails that we can cut out using our crafting. We will cut these out. We will use these in our crafting. So these are just some of the calendars that I was able to find at the Dollar Tree. And there were a whole bunch, but these were the two that caught my eye. Along with these little portable planners or pocketbook planners, briefcase planners, whatever you want to call them, we're going to take these and we're going to use them in our paper crafting. So even if you don't have a Dollar Tree, these typically come out at around this time of the year. So be on the lookout at your favorite store for items like this so that you can craft along with me. And if you're in the US and you don't have access to a Dollar Tree store, but you're interested in volume buying, go on their website and check out what they have. But here's another heads up on some awesome finds at the Dollar Tree. Y'all know that I like to go on the Dollar Tree and find what I can for us to use on the channel. And we can definitely use these. So thank you for stopping by. I hope that you have enjoyed this preview. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.